rebouncing, if the water jet is rebouncing back with the same velocity means you will get the force exerted. F is equals to how much? Minus 2 rho a v square. That is what you will get. Have you solved this one at least? Yes. Then next one is law of conservation of linear momentum. Important. Law of conservation of linear momentum. Law of conservation of linear momentum. See, in the name itself we can say that which is conserved here? Momentum is conserved. Conserved nothing but what? What do you mean by conserved? Is there any wastage in that? There is no waste. There is no waste, nothing but initial is equals to final we will get. So here I am saying that law of conservation of linear momentum. Nothing but final momentum is equals to initial momentum only. Otherwise in the definition wise we want to say means if there is no external force is acting on the body, then total momentum will be conserved. If any external force is acting nothing but that is giving some velocity, then what happens? Velocity will changes or not? First of all, the body, the block is moving with, let me take it is moving with v velocity. I am not applying any force, just initially I applied and then I left. That is moving with velocity v. If I am not applying any force, there is no friction here, then what happens? Velocity will changes or not changes? There is no friction I am saying. No friction, I am not stopping, there is no air resistance, nothing is there. At that time what happens? It will keep on going with what velocity? V velocity only. Nothing but initial is equals to final. Can I say velocity is conserved? Yes. If velocity is conserved, nothing but, is there any wastage of mass? Is there any wastage of mass? There is no wastage of mass. Mass is not wasted, velocity also not wasted. Means momentum is not wasted. Correct? Initial momentum is equals to final momentum. Now, if I apply any force on this, external force on this, then what happens? Velocity will changes or not changes? Velocity will changes. Okay. So, when the momentum will be conserved? Whenever the external force is 0. I am not applying any external force, then the momentum will be conserved. That is the law of conservation of linear momentum. If there is no external force acting on the body, then total momentum is conserved. Total momentum is conserved meaning is what? Initial momentum is equals to final momentum. That's it. So that if F external is equals to 0, then I can say that total P is constant. Otherwise, I can say that P initial is equals to P final. Based on this, we are having number of applications. We will solve all the applications. But you understand, right, the concept? Yes. If I am applying the force, then what happens? Velocity changes. But I don't want to change the velocity. Why? Because if velocity changes, then what happens? Momentum also changes. I don't want to change the momentum means I don't want to change the velocity. I don't want to change the velocity means I should not apply any force. I have to leave like that only. If I apply any external force, then what happens? Velocity will changes. If velocity changes, then momentum is changes. Then momentum is not conserved. But what I said, momentum should be constant. Constant means which I have to keep as constant. Velocity as constant. I want to keep velocity as constant. Then force should be how much? 0. Correct? Then write that. Write the statement. The total momentum of a system, the total momentum of a system is conserved if external force acting on the system is 0. External force acting on the system is 0. I said momentum is conserved. Yes. Then write that. If F external is equals to 0, the next line. If F external is equals to 0, total momentum is constant. Total momentum is constant. That is P initial is equals to P final. That is P initial is equals to P final. P initial is equals to P final. Now, for example, we are firing a bullet from the gun. Then what happens? Bullet will go forward and then gun will move in which direction? Backwards, no? What we call that one as recoiling of the gun. Whenever I am firing the bullet, then what happens? Gun will recoil in backward direction. So you have to find out that recoiling velocity. For that, let me take before firing. What happens? Gun and bullet both are in rest only. After firing, what happens? Bullet is going forward and then gun is moving in backward direction. So let me take the mass of the gun is capital M and the recoiling velocity of the gun is Vg. Okay, mass of the bullet is small m and the velocity of the bullet is Vb here. Now, whenever I fire the bullet from the gun, then what happening? What happens whenever I fire bullet from the gun? Then this bullet will go forward with what velocity they are saying? Vb velocity, and then of course gun will recoil backwards with what velocity? Vg velocity. I am saying that gun is having how much mass? Mass capital M. Bullet is having mass how much? Small m. Now you have to apply the conservation of momentum. What is the conservation of momentum? P initial is equals to P final. Initial means what? Before firing. Before firing is initial, after firing final. So before firing, what happens? Bullet and then gun both are in rest. Right? So this is the before case. Before firing, and then this one is the after firing. So before firing, I can say that mass of the gun is, how many bodies are there? First of all, two bodies are, na? Total initial momentum, total final momentum. Two bodies are there. One is the momentum of the gun and then momentum of the bullet. This is the initial case before, that is equals to momentum of the gun plus momentum of the bullet after firing, that is what? Final case. Total momentum initially is equals to total momentum finally. So for the gun, what is the mass of the gun? Capital M. What is the momentum formula? Mass into velocity only, no? Mass into velocity. Mass of the gun is capital M. Initial velocity of the gun is how much? 0. Both are in rest only. Plus mass of the bullet is what? Small m. Initial velocity of the bullet is also how much? 0 only. Why? Because it is not yet fired. Before firing, both are in rest. That is equals to, after firing, the momentum of the gun. Mass of the gun is m. And then what I said? Recoiling velocity is how much? Vg. That is what you have to find out, Vg plus, and then momentum of the bullet after firing. Small m into velocity of the bullet after firing is how much? Vb. Clear? Now, this total will become how much? 0. Then mvg plus mvb is equals to 0. Then here mvg is equals to minus mvb. Then Vg is equals to minus mVb by Vg. What minus indicates here? M. What M will indicate? What minus will indicate here? The bullet and then gun both are moving in opposite direction. Clear, everybody? Yes. So whenever a bullet is fired from the gun, before firing both are in rest. I am not fired yet. So after firing, what happening? Bullet is moving forward with what velocity? Vb velocity. Gun is moving backward with what velocity? Vg velocity. So now I have to apply the conservation of momentum. Total momentum before is equals to total momentum after firing. Yes, initial momentum is equals to final momentum only, no? Here how many bodies are there? Two bodies are there. One is gun, another is bullet. Before firing is equals to the momentum of gun and bullet after firing. What is the momentum formula? Mass into velocity. Mass of the gun is capital M. Initial velocity of the gun is how much? 0 plus mass of the bullet is what? Small m. Initial velocity of the bullet also how much? 0 only. Why? Because before firing both are in rest. That is equals to mass of the gun is capital M. Velocity of the gun after firing, how much that is? Vg plus mass of the bullet is small m. Velocity of the bullet after firing, how much? Vb. From that, Vg is equals to what I can write? Minus mvb by capital M. Clear everything? Write that. Write as a problem. Find recoiling velocity of the gun. Find recoiling velocity of the gun. Find recoiling velocity of the gun of mass capital M, if a bullet of mass small m, is moving with velocity vb after firing. Copy that. They give that assignment to the sir, Dada Pir sir. Uday did not give.